Guys, I am back with another gaming video. Now today I'm doing it like this because I figured out in my carnival video that I can do this. So I will do this instead. And now it doesn't even look like it's zoomed. Now it looks like I actually used the computer and did that. But we're going to see if we can try and find HD Games. Wait a minute. Who created Puppet? HD Games. We're going to try and find new update, press the button. Well, it's not, don't press the button. So later I'm going to try and see if I can find, hi Piggy. If we can try and find, me press the button. Whoa! Go! 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 Oh, I died. Maybe I can press the button from down here. Nobody survived. Oh, someone did. This isn't going to be a long video. Me press button. Creeper! Oh man. We back in the... Oh man, did I finally find out how to do chat? I'm safe. I don't actually think I am. Oh! Oh! Alright. P-O-O-P. Poop. Sonic? Really? That is such an old meme. No, they put a reference to Sonic in the actual Sonic movie. The new one. I meant the one that came out like a year ago, and the trailer for it, the first Sonic, it looks like disgusting. You know that movie. You've probably seen it. You be looking like. You guys are thinking you should actually do something like be a warrior and jump like that. But no, you shouldn't. You shouldn't have. Really? We're doing this again? 10-point giver. Hey! That's why they were circling around over there. Because there's a 10 points giver. I keep getting coins. That Lanky Box? Right now, this is the box guy. What? Whoops. That is, don't touch, that's, whoa. Penguins. Well, Dax, press the button.